All right, so your first rule is to distribute if you can. So, like, if you have a problem, that look. Oh, I should probably just keep it like here. So if you what? Your second rule. Your second rule is to combine like terms. I don't know their names, so I can call them out. And the third rule is to solve.
I know the answer. You gotta walk through the steps so he can show all the steps. Everybody gotta go through. I want to do the steps. No, I don't. I don't.
I want to stretch it. I want to move it. I'll just move it there. All right. So the first one was distribute if you can. Is there anything you can distribute with this? Nah. Yep. There's nothing. Next. Oh yeah. Good job. So the second rule is to combine like terms. What can we combine? Gives you what? Bro. Why the pen stop working? The what? I didn't do nothing to the pen. Bro, this ain't my job. She quit. Yeah, it's cooking this week. Cook.
Where's undo?
What'd you just do, bro? L. McGee.
Look at number 2. What should I do first? Distribute, because I always distribute if I can, yes? All right, how do you know that you can distribute here? The parentheses, right? What do I get when I distribute that -7 through? -21a, and what is -7 times -1? Be very careful. +7. Do I have any like terms to combine? No, right? Not on the same side anyway. Technically, this and this are like terms, but they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. Okay, now I'm going to go back to what I did yesterday, which, Samik, what's my first step here to get A by itself? What do I need to do? Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. What do I do first to get A by itself? Subtract 7, right? There. Okay, now, if I subtract 7 from here, what else do I have to do, Samik? Look at it, look at it. If I subtract 7 from this side, I got to subtract it from the other side. What's on the other side? Look at the equation. The 91. Tell me what happens on the left side of the equation. When you do 91 minus 7, what do you get? 84. Use your calculator. All right, look, negative 21 is still here. Negative 21a, and the 7s go away. That's what I wanted, right? I wanted those gone. All right. I don't really know what that is either. I'm going to have to use calculator. How do I get rid of the negative 21? Divide. 4 is really close. 84 divided by negative 21 plus negative 4. That's exactly right. Negative 4. So watch those signs. 36. Let's skip down to number 5. Everybody skip down to number 5 with me. All right, so we've done. Yes. Look at number 5. Everybody look at number 5 with me. I've got 20 equals 10x minus 6 times 2x plus 5. First step is to do what? Distribute if I can. Can I distribute? Yes. How do you know you can distribute? The parentheses. That's exactly right. Now, be careful. Why is this one tricky, Max? Because what? What makes this one tricky? But what makes it tricky when I distribute? Look in front of that 6. It's minus 6, right? So that's a negative 6 that I'm distributing through. Be very careful. So I've got 20 equals 10x. What do you get with the first one you distribute through? Negative 12x, right? Now multiply to the next one, and what do you get? What is it? What's negative 6 times 5? Negative 30. Everybody with me? Remember how we distributed before? All right, step 2. Read it to everybody. Read me step 2 together. Combine like terms. Combine like terms. Combine like terms. All right, what? Trevor. What are my like terms? 10x and 12x. It's not 12x, but it's negative 12x, right? What do you get when you add 10x and negative 12x? Negative 2x. That's exactly right. All right, I got 20 equals negative 2x minus 30. What's my last step? That's right. Add 30 to both sides. Brandon, what do I get when I add 30 to both sides? 50. 20 plus 30? 50. What happens on the right-hand side? That cancels, and the negative 2x. Am I done? No. How do I know I'm not done? I still got to divide. There's still something hooked to the x. I got to have x all by itself. All by myself. Y'all don't know that song? All right. I can't ever sing, but that don't stop me. Okay. You thought that was funny, Trevor. Thank you. What am I going to divide by? -2. There you go. You get -25. Tell me how hard this is for you. Everybody give me a thumbs right now. I can solve equations, no problem. It's okay. I don't got it at all. Everybody give me a thumb. Elijah, let me see your thumb. Dustin, let me see your thumb. Which way is your thumb right now for your equation? Okay. Sometimes I think I'm in the twilight zone. Flip it over. Let's see how good you are. All right, you ready? Look at number 9. It's cool, it's cool. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Right, Max? We can do this. All right, everybody turn to number 9 and look at it. Okay, for just a second.
Oh, that's actually flat, girl.
All right. Tell me what I can do first. Or tell me what I need to do, not what's to me. It's hard because it's a fraction, but that's okay. All right. I'm still going to distribute. All right, I'm going to write this 7. Now look what I'm distributing. Take out your calculator. We're going to put this in the calculator, okay? Y'all ready? All right. It is not blocked. Don't go to the calculator. Go to Desmos. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Desmos.com/scientific. Go to that. You can use the graphing one. That's fine. You'd rather me do the other one? Okay. All right, 5/2. Look, I got to do my fractions in parentheses. So I'm going to do parentheses 5 divided by 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. But it's negative, isn't it? I don't have my paper in front. Where's the negative button? Okay. All right. -5/2. It's the same. So on this, it's the same as the minus button. On your calculator, it's a different button. All right. There's -5/2. And I need to do -5/2 times 8, right? Times 8. So I'm going to come over here. Times 8. Now look, -20, right? -20, and it's got an R hook to it, so be careful. All right, now you try the next one on that calculator. And the reason we're pushing this calculator is because when you take the EOC, they'll give you this calculator on there, okay? So -5/2 times -6 times -6. Positive 15, right? Positive 15. Now I've still got the plus 2r equals 32. Okay? Combine your like terms. Which ones are like terms? Negative 20r and 2r. What do you get when you add those together? Negative 18r. Y'all are on it today. Max, what's my other like terms on the left side? I know. 7 and 15, right? What's 7 plus 15? 22. Don't even pay him attention. He don't know. Now what do I do? Minus 22. When I minus 22 from both sides, what becomes the left? This crosses, right? That's gone. So Dominique, what's left there? Look at the left side. What's left? Negative 18r equals, what's 32 minus 22? 10. 10, right? Almost. What do I have left to do? Divide. Divide by negative 18. Let me show you a little trick. If you've got this calculator right here, let me show you a little trick right here that you may not have ever been shown before. This is cool. You ready? All right, remember 10 divided by 18. There we go. Ten divided by what? All right. 10 divided by, and let me do it as a fraction, so let me put in parentheses. 10 divided by, now, this is different than Desmos, and here is why. This button right here, that's your negative button, right? Instead of the minus. So it's a little bit different. So negative 18, close the parentheses and hit enter. Now, I don't want an answer like that. I would rather have a fraction. Yes? So here's what I'm going to do. You see this button that says math? If you do math, enter, enter, it's negative 5 over 9. 5. What was I dividing? 10. Oh, remember I need parentheses. 10 divided by negative 18. Close parentheses, hit enter. Math, enter, enter. Look what I have. Isn't that nice? I have a fraction that's reduced for me. So negative 5 over 9. Okay? All right, let me tell you what I want you to do before you leave.